If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. 2X, like Mr. X from Resident Evil. Mr. X? No, I hope it's not him because I'm guessing it's an X. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, those type of people that you just like, but then you don't like because there's something that happened and they did something wrong to you. So now they're an X part of your life. That X. 3, 2, 1, let's go. A chair. Oh, it's 2 different POVs. Okay. Wait, what does it say? Oh, that was an interesting shot with 2 mirrors. Sorry for pausing already. Oh, upside down. His name is Nar. That's what I thought too. Oh, Nar. That must be something, actually something. Dear Diary. It's not fun anymore? Oh, shit. Oh, what is that instrument? Oh. I'm gonna block you lights out to X. Sis, what happened? I really like the R&B flow of this already. With guitar too. She tried to cater to you and nothing happened. It didn't work. You didn't appreciate her. That house kind of reminded me of the house in Paranormal or Phasmophobia. I don't know why. It looks like a nice little cottage though. It looks haunted. That's what I'm trying to say. Oh shit, she's gotten tired of it. I'm difficult plus the kid you say. That's why my thoughts get tired. Ah. Gonna block you. Ooh, I forgot what that's called. The type of art style. Oh my god. What the hell? Some weird ass shit or what's happening right now? What's he doing to you? Oh, seeing all the memories? Oh, narcissist. That's what NAR stands for. Narcissist, correct. You dated a narcissist. That makes sense. He talks about all the new shirts he bought. Gonna block you lights out to X. Ooh, that was interesting. Bruh, Dre's Taeyeon vocals amazing in the seeds. Okay, so like her vocals killed here, but I kind of wanted more runs for some reason. Like, I think. Where is it? No way. I think somewhere around here. Right here? Ooh. Oh, I love her tattoo too. Sorry. She is so cute though. You already been knew this. Narcissist. So literally from the beginning. Wait, I looked at the end. Moving on to X. I mean, from X. I do miss the SM scare jump scare. So in the beginning, let me see. 2 different sides. I love this shot for some reason. It's because it's the same feel, same color, but just different. Everything, some things are upside down filmed. This is cool too. I love this. His name is Narcissist, basically. I thought Nar was literally like, oh, Nar, but literally it meant narcissist. Interesting. I kind of mess with this sound, like heavy. But I feel like in K-pop it might, I don't know. Usually like R&B sounding sounds don't do as popular as pop songs per usual. What is SIS? What is SIS actually? Did they explain in the comments? I might have to check it out. Definitely have to check out the mini album too, because I do love to hear some more beautiful Taeyeon vocals. Especially as you say, it might be on a vibey note, like very R&B. Gotta.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.